Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create like this burning body effect using some AI tools. Also, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So without wasting any time, let's start the tutorial. First of all, drag and drop your footage into the After Effects and drag and drop onto the composition icon. It will create a composition and I'm gonna use this footage in this video. So go to the end of the footage. After that, go to the composition and save frame as file. Click on it and click on this Photoshop and select this PNG sequence. Okay, and keep the settings same and hit OK. And select your location where you want to export this image and click on save. After that, click on the render button. Now go to the aistudio.google.com. Now click try nano banana. After that, erase everything and click on this plus icon and upload your footage. And now I will paste this prompt, so you can copy from the description and paste here and click on the run button. After multiple generation, I like this image and I'm gonna use this image for the next part. Now go to the klingai.com and click on try it now, and you will get 160 credit in the starting. So click on this video section. Also guys, make sure you are selected video 2.1 model. So upload your image. So this start image and click on this and upload this nano banana image. After that, go back to the chat GPT again and click on the GPTs and search the Kling 2.1 prompt generator and click on this start chat. And guys, now upload your both images here and I will type this text, give me prompt of this and click on it. It will give me Kling AI prompt. So I will select this prompt, say first one, and go here and Ctrl V to paste the prompt. So I'm gonna use this prompt and click on the generate. It will take some time to create your image to video. So this is final render. I'm gonna use this and go back to the After Effects and make a new composition and name it final comp and keep the settings same, but make the duration 50 seconds and hit OK. Alright, now drag and drop our camera footage composition into the final comp and go to the end of this composition here, import Kling footage here. After that, move it to the right side, this Kling footage at the end of the camera footage like this. Now burning effect is too slow, so we will stretch this video. Click on the stretch panel. Okay, so you will see something like this stretch. So stretched around 25%. Still too slow for me, so I will make it around 23%. Alright, so go to the end of this Kling footage like this. This is our end. After that, go to the composition, save frame as file and click this Photoshop to PNG sequence and hit OK. Keep the settings save and save the location and save and render the footage. After that, import that image into the chat GPT inside Kling 2.1 chat. And I'm gonna use this text to make my prompt and hit run button and it will give me some prompts. So I'm gonna use this first prompt. Now go back to the klingai.com and delete both of these images and upload our last frame of the Kling image, this one. And I will Ctrl V to paste the RNA prompt and click on the generate. Maybe it will take some time to generate your video. So this is my final render and I'm gonna use this footage for the last step. Go back to the After Effects and import the footage and move it to the right side at the end of the last footage. Alright, so this video is ending here, so I'm gonna make this render area around 10.5 seconds. Hope you like this video guys, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I'm gonna continue this series creating like this VFX using AI tools. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep creating.